ॐ पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। सेवेंथ स्टैंडर्ड सीबीएसई दीपकम बुक तृतीयः पाठः थर्ड चैप्टर मित्राय नमः salutation to friend or salutation to son whose one of the name is Mitra, friend. Objective of this chapter is student should must focus on their physical appearance, their body. They should know the importance of Surya Namaskara. This is knowing part. They should know how to do Surya Namaskara, when to do with breathing, they should do properly. Then feeling is we have to tell them if you do Surya Namaskara, these four things which are going to come in the chapter, they are going to get benefited from those four things. So once feeling is there, we must take them to the field and do Surya Namaskara, demonstrate them. And we should make sure the assessment should be done in a such a way that in the morning before going to bath at least 12 Surya Namaskara they do. In CVP program this comes under physical development where they take care of their physical appearance and make body fitness properly. Let us begin. अहो योगी अहो योगिते त्वं प्रातः किं करोषि? अहो means oh Yogita, you what do you do in the morning? Pratah in the morning what do you do? Aham pratidinam pratah pitra sah udyanam gacchami. I every day go to park or garden in the morning with my father. I go to park in the morning with my father every day. उद्याने किं करोषि भोः? Hey, उद्याने in that garden किं करोषि? What do you do? अहं तु भ्रमणं करोमि. I just wander. I just walk there, roam there. किन्तु बहवः जनाः तत्र व्यायामं योगासनानि च कुर्वन्ति. किन्तु but many people there in that garden vyayamam exercise yogasanani yoga kurvanti they do practice yoga. Aho yogasanani oh yogasanani yogasanas vayam api ज्ञातुम इच्छामः we also wish to know. तरी वयं सर्वे योगशिक्षिकायाः समीपं गच्छामः. तरी then since you want to know then वयं सर्वे we all योगशिक्षिकायाः समीपं we all go near to योगशिक्षिका योगा ट्रेनर. ओके सर्वे उत्साहेन योगशिक्षिकायाः समीपं गच्छति. एवरीवन with enthusiasm go near to female yoga teacher. Now, छात्राः नमो नमः आचार्ये. Salutations to teacher. Acharya. Teacher says Shubham Bhavatu. Like good should happen to you. Upavishantu sarve. Everyone, all of you. Upavishantu. Sit down. Acharye. Chhatra says that. Say that. Acharye. O teacher. Kim adya bhavan asman yogasanam shikshayati? Do you today? Do you teach us yogasanam? Shikshayati, teach, train. Do you teach us yogasanam today? Actually, here bhavati should have been there. This is a printing mistake in the book because she is acharya. So acharya ki madhya bhavan. So bhavati. Acharya is saying nischayena, definitely. Vadantu kim asanam shikshitum icchanti? Vadantu, tell. Kim asanam, which asanam shikshitum icchanti? You want to, you wish to learn, you wish to know. Yogita. Yogita is saying Acharya, teacher. Adya Surya Namaskaran Shikshayatu. Today, teach sun salutations. Then teacher is very happy. Samichinam, very good. Surya Namaskarah द्वादशानाम् आसनानां समाहारः अस्ति. Sun salutation is the Samahara is the collection of 12 asanas, 12 postures. प्रत्येकस्मात् सूर्य नमस्कारात् पूर्वम् एकः मन्त्रः भवति. Before पूर्वम् every सूर्य नमस्कार there is one mantra, one verse, one sacred verse is there. Teshu, among them, Prathamah mantra asti. Among so many mantras, 12 mantras, first mantra is Om Mitraya Namaha iti. Chhatraha. Am Mohodaye. Yes, teacher. Vayam Smaramaha. We remember. Then Atyuttamam, very good, very well done, very well remembered. Militva vadantu, together vadantu, say. Chhatraha. Om Mitraya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Ravaye Namaha. Om Khagaya Namaha. Om Marichaye Namaha. Om Arkaya Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Pushne Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Sarvante at the end of all 12 mantras. Om Savitru Surya Narayanaaya Namaha. Then Acharya Atyuttamam, excellent, excellent. Idanim, now Ekena Shlokena, by one shloka. Surya Namaskarasya Bahuni Prayojanani Vadami. By one shloka, Surya Namaskarasya, sun salutations, Bahuni Prayojanani, many benefits, Vadami, I tell. Bhavantah Shrunvantu, you all please listen. Anuvadantu, and you please repeat. Cha means and. Adityasya namaskaran ye kurvanti dine dine ayuh pradnyabalam viryam tejastesham cha jayate. आदित्यस्य नमस्कारान ये दिने दिने कुर्वन्ति. Ye, those people, dine dine, every day, do sun salutations. Tesham, of such people, ayuhu, lifespan increases. Pradnya, knowledge increases. Balam, strength increases. Viryam, valor increases. Tejaha, the brilliance increases. Everything jayate, bonds. Now, elaboration of that. Evam, योगासनेषु सूर्यनमस्कारः एकः श्रेष्ठः आसनक्रमः अस्ति। एवं thus योगासनेषु in many yogasanas in many postures सूर्य नमस्कारः sun salutation एकः श्रेष्ठः आसन क्रम. This is beautiful sequence orders of all the asanas one after the other. The order is so beautiful. सूर्य नमस्कारेण by sun salutation शारीरिकम physical मानसिकम mental आध्यात्मिकम spiritual च बलम वर्धते strength. So physical strength, mental strength, spiritual strength वर्धते increases. अतः therefore वयम we प्रतिदिनं सूर्य नमस्कारं करवाम. Therefore we every day do sun salutations. स्वस्थं शरीरं स्वस्थं मनः healthy body healthy mind च प्राप्नवाम. Healthy body healthy mind we must get. अस्तु पुनः अग्रिमकक्षायाम् अन्येषाम् आसनानां विषये ज्ञास्यामः. अग्रिमकक्षायाम् in next class अन्येषाम् आसनानां other asanas we shall or we will know. So vishaye the अन्येषाम् आसनानां विषये the topic regarding other asanas vishaye regarding other asanas we will know. छात्राः धन्यवादाः आचार्ये. थैंक यू सो मच टीचर. ओके नाउ शुभं भवतु इति कः वदति? हु सेज शुभं भवतु? Obviously the teacher says because elder should give blessings to the younger ones. So acharyaha, only one acharya, so acharya. योगिता आचार्यम् आचार्यां किं शिक्षयतु इति वदति? सूर्य नमस्कारम्. सूर्य नमस्कारम्. राइट इट फास्ट फास्ट. सूर्य नमस्कार कतिनां? द्वादशानां. सो वन वर्ड वर्ड आंसर. सो दिस इज द वे टू राइट द्वादशानां. केषु सूर्य नमस्कारः श्रेष्ठः? योगासनेषु. योगासनेषु सूर्य नमस्कार श्रेष्ठ. सूर्य नमस्कारेण जनाः कीदृशं शरीरं प्राप्नुवन्ति? स्वस्थं शरीरं प्राप्नुवन्ति. ब्यूटिफुली we wrote the answers. Now सर्वे छात्राः सर्वे छात्राः आचार्यां किं पृच्छन्ति? सर्वे छात्राः आचार्यां पृच्छन्ति यत् that adya we have to see up. Adya surya namaskar and not surya namaskar. One minute, it's not responding. Okay, whatever I remember I'll write. Adya the let me check once again. No. Adya kim सर्वे छात्रा आचरण किम what do student ask? Adya kim yogasanam. There is some problem with my laptop. अद्य योगासनं शिक्षयतु. We are on second question. Hmm. Hmm. सर्वे छात्राः छात्राः अद्य योगासनं शिक्षयतु. और किम योगास अद्य किम योगासनं शिक्षयति इति पृच्छन्ति. What asanam will you teach today? Like that. सूर्य नमस्कारः इत्यनेन कः आशयः? सूर्य नमस्कारः इत्यनेन द्वादश द्वादशासनानां संग्रहः संग्रहः इति आशयः. What do you mean by Surya Namaskara? So Surya Namaskara means doing 12 asanas. Acharya kam shlokam pathayati? Which shlok? Acharya आदित्यस्य नमस्कारेण. आदित्यस्य, I am not writing full shloka. श्लोकम पाठयति. Which shloka does Acharya teach? A teacher teach. So Adityasya आयुः प्रज्ञा बलम वीर्यम तेजस तेषां जायते. This shloka she teach. Easy. Then सूर्य नमस्कारस्य प्रथमः मन्त्रः कः? सो सूर्य नमस्कारस्य प्रथमः मन्त्रः मित्राय नमः इति. इति अस्ति, वी कैन राइट डाउन. इति अस्ति. सूर्य नमस्कारेण कीदृशं बलं प्राप्यते? सॉरी, वर्धते. सूर्य नमस्कारेण मानसिकं शारीरम, I should write down शारीरम first. शारीरम and शारीरिक मानसिक and body mind and बौद्धिकम. शारीरिकम आध्यात्मिकम स्पिरिचुअल. मानसिकम बलम शारीरिकम शारीरकम शारीरम बलम शारीरिकम बलम और आध्यात्मिक बलम वर्धते. नाइस. नाउ नेक्स्ट. प्रत्येकस्मात् प्रत्येकस्मात् योगासनात्. Whatever I remember, I am writing. You can check above and write. वयं प्रतिदिनं सूर्य नमस्कारम और योगासन. सूर्य नमस्कारम स्कारम स्वस्थ शरीरम and swastham manah. Manah is Napunsakalinga word. So manah is right. It's not Pullinga. Remember that. Ekena dash Surya Namaskarasya bahuni prayojanaani vadami. Ekena shlokena. By one shloka. Adityasya namaskaram. Namaskaram. So Adityasya namaskaram. Namaskaran. Adityasya namaskaran because they are in 12. So namaskaran. Adityasya namaskaran. Namaskaran. Next. So Vidyamaranam Yukta Nama Shabda Sangra. So you have to write down all the 12 words which came with Namaha. So Adityaya Namaha, Arkaya Namaha, Bhaskaraya Namaha, all these things you should write down. I am not writing this. That is easy because Agnaye Namaha. So how will you write down for all? So Acharya. So you should write down, you should know all the Shabdas. Acharya, Acharyayai Namaha. Trivarna Dhwaja. Acharya means teacher, female teacher. Trivarna Dhwaja, tricolor flag. Trivarna Dhwajaya Namaha. So if it is Pullinga, Aya. If it is Strilinga, Ayai. Acharyayai. Okay, simple. Janaka, instead of writing down, I will write here only Janaka, Janakaya Namaha because Pullinga. Vrukshaha, Pullinga, so Vrukshaya Namaha. Devi Strilinga, so Devi Shabda goes differently. Devyai, Devyai Namaha. Bhagini, Bhaginyai Namaha. Matamahi, Mata Mahyai Namaha. Janani, Jananyai Namaha. Pruthivyai. So all Shabda declines like Nadi. Vyai Namaha. Nadi, Nadyai Namaha. So all Shabda, if it is Pullinga, Ramaya, like Rama it will go. If it is Strilinga, like Devi, like Nadi it will go. Devi, Bhagini, all are like Nadi, Nadyai. So Devi, Devyai, Bhagini, Bhaginye, Matamahi, Matamahi, Mahyai. Like that it will go. Now, what we have to write down? So we have to know Danarthi, wherever there is giving, action of giving, Da Dhatu, Yacha Dhatu, there Chaturthi Vibhakti happens. So instead of writing full sentence, I am going to write only Chaturthi of the given word and I'll say the full sentence. Mata Yachakaya Vastram Dadati. Mother gives cloth to a beggar. Pautraha, grandson. Aushadham Dadati gives medicine to whom? Mata Mahyai Nadyai. So Aham Bhagini Upayanam. Upayanam? Upayanam dadami. Upayanam. Upayanam means I think just 1 minute. Upayanam. Yeah. Upayanam means some gift. So bhaginim. Bhaginyai. Bhaginyai. पिता सेविका वेतनम ददाति पिता सेविकायै ददाति त्वम मद फादर गिव्स wages or wage, the salary to a servant. Tvam mitram pushpam dadasi. You give mitraya. Mitram will become Rama Ramaya. Mitraya. You give flower to your friend. Devah bhaktaya. Bhaktaya. Ashirvadam dadati. God gives blessings to devotee. Arakshakah. Choraya. Arakshaka. Police gives punishment to a thief. So simple. So wherever there is action of giving, you should write down Chaturthi Vibhakti. Now we have to write down few sentences. Here, mother gives someone something, dhanam. So Mata Kasmai to some boy, Kasyai to some girl, Dhanam Dadati gives money. So let us write down beautiful, nice sentences. Okay, so we'll start with Putri already given. We will write down for here. I will write down few and there I'll write down few. Mata Putraya. Mata Putraya Dhanam Dadati. Then Mata Pachikayai. Pachika means one who is cook, but female cook. Mata Pachikayai Dhanam Dadati. Dhanam Dadati. Then one more sentence. Mata Apanikaya. Mata Apanikaya Dhanam Dadati. Gives Achyachati or Dadati. Here Dadati they have taken. Mata Yachakaya Dhanam Dadati. Mata Pitamahyai means father's mother. Pitamahyai Dhanam Dadati. So mother is so rich. She is giving the money to everyone, and everyone is so poor. They are taking money from mother. So we should have mother like this. And our all mothers are like this only. They'll give whatever we want. Bhaktah, bhaktaya, bhaktabhyam. So already they have given sevika. You cannot write sevika, sevikaya because sevika is Strilinga Shabda. So sevikayai and sevikabhyam. Anujaya, anujabhyam, anujabhyah. Here Sevikabhyam won't come. How did I write this? Here will come Sevikabhyah. Gruhini. Gruhini means Chaturthi Vibhakti. Nadyai. So Gruhinyai. Gruhinibhyam. Gruhinibhyah. Gruhinibhyah. Kumaryai Kumaribhyam Kumaribhyah. Kumaribhyah like Nadi. Vanaya, Napunsakalinga Shabda, but after Tritiya Vibhakti it goes like Vanaya, Vanabhyam, and Vanebhyah. Mitra also. Napunsakalinga after Tritiya Vibhakti goes same. Mitraya, Mitrabhyam, Mitrebhyah. Mitraya, Mitrabhyam, Mitrebhyah. Okay, done. Now something is remaining. Yeah, Yogyata Vistara. These many things we should do in our class. It's important to do and know more asanas. I'll just name them. Vajrasanam, Padmasanam, Paschimottanasana, Tadasanam, Halasanam. All these are important asanas. And here, thus we complete our chapter. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.